Hello, class ninth. Very, very good afternoon. How are you all? I hope all are fine and doing great. In this class, we are going to do the question and answers, means exercises of uh, ईश्वरन द स्टोरी टेलर, है ना। तो इसका क्वेश्चन आंसर आप लोगों को लिखना है। ओके, सो ओपन योर नोटबुक एंड पेन हैव विथ यू। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, इन व्हाट वे इज ईश्वरन एन एसेट टू महिंद्रा। महिंद्रा के लिए जो ईश्वरन है वो एसेट क्यों था, है ना। तो इसका आंसर लिखेंगे, मैं बोल रहा हूं, आप लोग वीडियो को पॉज कर करके आप सुन सकते हैं और लिख सकते हैं। ओके, महिंद्रास जॉब केप्ट हिम मूविंग फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस। ओके, द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, आई रिपीट, महिंद्रास जॉब केप्ट हिम moving from place to place, full stop. He had to stay in very uncomfortable conditions, but his cook Iswaran was his asset. He always remained with him, full stop. He never complained whatever he had to go, full stop. He cooked for his master, full stop. He washed his clothes, full stop. He entertained him with his endless tales, full stop. Now question number 2. How does Iswaran describe the uprooted tree on the highway? What effect does he want to create in his listeners, है ना। तो इसका आंसर होगा, लिखेंगे, Iswaran adds suspense to his description, full stop. He says that the road was deserted, full stop. Suddenly, he noticed something, full stop. It looked like a big, bushy beast, B-E-S-T, beast, full stop. It was spread out across the road, full stop. He wanted to run back from there, full stop. But very slowly he went closer, full stop. He found it was only a fallen tree, full stop. Thus Iswaran wants to create a feeling of suspense and fear in his listeners. Okay, full stop. Now question number 3. How does, यहां से देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, how does he narrate the story of the tusker? Does it appear to be plausible, है ना। तो इसका आंसर लिखेंगे, he narrated the story of the tusker that escaped from the timber yard and began to roam about, full stop. He stamped on bushes, tore up the creepers and broke the branches, full stop. The elephant then reached the outskirts of Iswaran's town, full stop. It started smashing fruits stalls, full stop. Sorry, comma. Mud pots and fences, full stop. People started running in all directions in panic, full stop. The tusker then entered the school ground and started pulling the football goal post, comma, tore volleyball net, kicked and flattened the water drum, comma, Iswaran then grabbed, grabbed a cane from the teacher and hit the elephant's toenail, full, comma. देखिए यहाँ कॉमा नहीं बल्कि फुल स्टॉप होगा, आप फुल स्टॉप लगा लीजिएगा। उसके बाद लिखिएगा द एलिफेंट गॉट पैरालाइज्ड एट वंस। उसके बाद लिखेंगे द स्टोरी सीम्स टू बी अनलाइकली एज ईश्वरन वॉज देन अ स्मॉल बॉय एंड मोर ओवर ही कुड नॉट हैव नोन हाउ टू मेक एन एलिफेंट पैरालाइज्ड, फुल स्टॉप। दिस अकाउंट डज नॉट सीम प्लॉसिबल। ओके, आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखते हैं। वाई डज द ऑथर से दैट ईश्वरन सीम टू नो मोर देन मेक अप फॉर द absence of a TV in Mahendra's living quarters? तो इसको लिखेंगे it was with Iswaran to recount some story packed with adventure, comma, horror and suspense, full stop. Mahendra enjoyed listening to it, full stop. Thus Iswaran seemed to more than make up for the absence of a TV in Mahendra's living quarters, full stop. In the evening hours, Iswaran would go narrating like a TV, and thus he was making up the absence of a TV in Mahendra's quarters, full stop. Now question number 5. Mahendra calls ghosts or spirits of figment of the imagination. What happens to him on a full moon night? So Iswaran narrates about one horrible ghost of a woman which appears off and on at midnight during the full moon. It was an ugly creature like a skeleton holding a fetus in her arms, full stop. Mahendra shivered at this description and viewed that there were no such things, full stop. It is all a figment of his imagination on ghosts or spirits, full stop. He was talking nonsense. Okay. Now last question number 6. Can you think of some other ending for this story? 6 नंबर देखते हैं। तो लिखेंगे द स्टोरी कुड हैव द फॉलोइंग एंडिंग। वन नाइट, कॉमा, महेंद्रा वॉज वोकन अप फॉर हिज स्लीप, फुल स्टॉप। ही हर्ड स्ट्रेंज नॉइसेस कमिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड नियर हिज विंडो, फुल स्टॉप। महेंद्रा लुक्ड आउट एंड सॉ समवन होल्डिंग अ बंडल इन हिज और हर आर्म्स, फुल स्टॉप। ही कॉल्ड आउट, हु आर यू? Question mark. The ghost did not reply, full stop. Then he called Iswaran, comma, but again there was no reply, full stop. So he decided to go out and ran towards the ghost, full stop. The ghost also started running away, full stop. The bundle fell off his arm, full stop. The Mahendra could see that it was Iswaran, full stop. He caught him, full stop. He fell to Mahendra's feet and begged to be forgiven, full stop. ओके, आई होप कि आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया होगा। अपनी अपनी नोटबुक में इसको कर लेंगे। ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज क्लास। थैंक यू।